Ladies and gentlemen, gather round because we've got something so light and compact, it might just make your current car look like a lumbering dinosaur. Let me tell you, when I first heard about the Softcar at the Paris Auto Show, I was like, are they sure this thing is actually a car and not just a futuristic version of a plastic toy? But then I got the specs, and I realized this thing is no joke. But hey, before we dive into the exciting world of Softcar, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You don't want to miss out on the latest in all things electric and weirdly awesome. Alright, now let's take a deeper look at this Swiss engineering marvel that could change how we think about urban mobility forever. Meet the Softcar, a tiny marvel that measures just 3.42 meters, 11.2 feet long, 1.49 meters, 4 feet wide, and 1.65 meters, 5.4 feet high. Yep, it's smaller than most city cars, but don't let the size fool you. This little guy can carry 4 people and their luggage with up to 350 liters, 12.4 cubic feet of boot space. Now, let's talk about the real deal here, its tech specs. Under the hood, or behind the driver's seat, this thing packs a 15 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, giving you a range of up to 200 kilometers, 120 miles. That's more than enough for your daily commute. And when it's time to juice up, it can be fully charged in just 2.5 hours, using a 6.6 kilowatt charger. For those of us who still have that I'll just plug it into the wall mindset, it'll take about 8 hours on a regular 2.3 kilowatt socket. And speed? Oh, this isn't just a glorified toy. With 15 kilowatts of continuous power and 30 kilowatts of peak performance, the Softcar accelerates from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour, 31 miles, in just 4 seconds and tops out at 90 kilometers per hour, 56 miles per hour. So yes, it's highway legal. But it's not just about speed and range. The Softcar is built to last, with a chassis designed for up to 1.6 million kilometers, 994,000 miles. And that body? It's made from a single piece, minus the funky wing doors, and can be shredded and remolded up to 6 times without any loss of quality. Talk about sustainability, huh? The interior materials are minimalist, but hey, it's a car designed for utility, not luxury. And did I mention the Swiss flags on the seats? They may not be the softest leather, but they've got character. And here's the cherry on top. It's priced at under 20,000 euros, around 21,000 USD. Yes, even in Switzerland, where everything costs an arm and a leg, this eco-friendly, ultra-efficient car is affordable. So, if you're tired of the same old gas guzzlers and ready to make a real impact on the planet without sacrificing practicality, the Softcar might just be the ride for you. And for all you tech geeks out there, don't forget to check the link to the official product website in the description below for all the juicy details.